Infra16, Roles and Responsibilities of Information Security Officers and Managers. 1. A document defining the roles and responsibilities of the Information Security Officer Manager Steward should exist. This is a fundamental requirement for organizing information security work. 2. The document that defines the roles and responsibilities of the Chief Information Protection Officer should include the following tasks: establishment and management operation of information protection management system, analyzing, evaluating and improving information security vulnerabilities, preventing and responding to breaches, preparation of proactive information protection measures and design, implementation of security measures, etc. Preliminary security review of information protection, review of encryption of important information and suitability of security servers, implementation of other necessary measures for information protection. 3. If a person in charge of youth protection must be designated, the document defining roles and responsibilities should include the following tasks: developing a plan to protect youth from harmful information, restriction and management measures for youth access to harmful information, training for ICT workers to protect youth from harmful information, counseling and grievance handling for harm caused by harmful information, other matters necessary to protect youth from harmful information. 4. The document defining the roles and responsibilities of the person in charge of personal information must include the following: establishment and implementation of a personal information protection plan, periodic investigation and improvement of personal information, processing facts and practices, handling complaints and remedying damage related to the processing of personal information, establishment of an internal control system to prevent leakage, misuse, and abuse of personal information, establishment and implementation of a personal information protection education plan, protection, management and supervision of personal information files, establishment, modification and enforcement of personal information processing policy, management of personal information protection-related materials, destruction of personal information when the purpose of processing is fulfilled or the retention period has expired, immediate remedial measures if a violation of the law is discovered. 5. A document defining the roles and responsibilities of personal information handlers must exist, which helps all those who handle personal information understand their roles and responsibilities and act accordingly. 6. If the number of employees, turnover, etc., falls within the criteria set by the President, there should be guarantees, documentation, etc., that the person in charge of personal information protection can perform his or her duties independently. ISMS-P consulting is GADIAN security. Companies can conduct self-consulting through the GADIAN solution.